so good.
Spacing tighter than you thought?
I knew it was getting tight. Oh, excuse me.
Look at the fab work though on this thing. This is nicely done. I bet this Mustang, when it was left for dead for 10 years in a field, had no idea what was coming towards it.
Yeah, I didn't know what was going on. Takes that still doesn't.
Yeah. Make some noise. He just shuts it right off.
Did you hear that? I could see it. What? The fire. Oh. No, did you hear the noise it made? Like the big popping noise? Yeah, I did hear something. What the hell was that? I'm not sure. You have to tell me.
Yeah, who knows?
Yeah, that warmed the pipe up. Pretty good.
Pretty good. This thing's gonna be a serious drag car here. So I just gotta update his modded Mustang's profile real quick before he fires it up. Well, there you have it. Tyler, what's your issue here?
Oh, we're not a real estate. Need to find some more for this radiator here.
Well, as I say, God's not making more of it. Bit of a tight situation here. Seems like there's tons of space, but...
So anyways, we just started building.
Not as much as you'd think. Look at how easy it is to replace a starter.
Can't remember from there.
I'd even put all the bolts in it this time.
Look at this brake line.
Oh, those are nice. Wow. Those are nice.
Get yours today on driftamerican.com.
That's right. Don't worry about the harness though.
Yeah.
You're not buying that on Drift American. Wow. Cool. Best Coors Light I've had in a long time. Shit makes me want to take my bra off, you know what I'm saying?